Welcome guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss that how we can make a photo ad design if you're a graphic designer or if you're learning that how to be a good graphic designer. It is going to be a pretty easier one because we are here using free tools which you can make a photo ad design. Instead of Adobe, we are going to use a Canva for this purpose, and here is the design that we are going to make. It looks so professional, the details are well described, so let's hop on to see that how to make this. Simply go to the Google and write here canva.com. Hit the link at the first you get which says canva.com, and here you will be at your interface. We're going to use the free version of Canva, so just make your account using your Gmail and this button which says create a design. You can here select the custom design which you want to make, but here are some templates which says to choose from here like mobile video, your story or Instagram story. I feel like the size of an Instagram post is well to make a graphic design, so we are going with this because we want our ad to be on Instagram. If you want it to be Facebook, you can choose this one also. So here is you are provided with the template that you can edit. I have not chosen any of the template. I'm going to make my design, create a design, my custom on design. So let's get started. You are now all set to start a design. So let's first name our design. I'm just making a juice ad. So let's name it as juice ad. At first, let's select the color of our background. So for the color, just hit on this icon, colors, and choose the color from here. So first I chose this orange one, but it doesn't matches my style or my idea. So let's make a custom color which you can make from here. Adjust this gradient to decide the color which ones you want. And just select from this palette. I think I felt like this one is the best because I'm making ad for orange juice, so orange just matches with it. So here now my color is decided. Now go to the elements and select, just search here the juice bottle to get the juice bottle. If you are making ad for somebody, you can add the product by yourself here, but it's just a dummy one for me, so I am going to choose the bottle from here. Try to choose the one which really looks feel like realistic. So let's search here and find one which looks realistic. First, always go to graphics, then photos to choose one. And I felt like this one is realistic enough to be added, so let's go with it. Adjust the size of a bottle and bring it in the middle. Now for making it more attractive, we can add some other things like leaves and oranges which you usually see in the ads. So let's just search for oranges, and we have a number of results of oranges. Now we need to just select here by roaming in this list for a lot of time, and always try to look for things that look realistic and you feel like that this will make your ad beautiful. I think that it could be a little bit time taken, but it's just really fun to do this. So when I came to the photos, I felt like searches, and I felt like this one is the best to be added here. So let's just add this, adjust the size, and bring it in front of the bottle. You can also bring it at the back, but it's always at the front, so let's just adjust here. How to bring it at the back, we'll be learning it just after a few times. So bring it here and in the front, and let's search for some leaves to add to the background of the bottle to look it more realistic. I search for the juice because I want a type of a juice slash at the back of the juice which makes it look interesting, but I didn't get one. These were available, you see, but these were for the pro version and I don't have that one. So let's go without pro version and make our ad beautiful. You can see that we can also have a professional look of our ad without pro version, so let's not go for it. Because at the beginner level, you must just go for a free one. So I don't got the juice slash for free, so let's not care about, and let's search for leaves because the leaves will also look interesting. I actually just searched the leaf, but I think it would be leaves, and these were many results, but most of them were pro and some are like unrealistic like cartoon type, but I don't want one. I want the realistic one. So let's just roam here to find one, search for green leaves, see and see which one suits me, my ad or my campaign. I don't felt like getting one, but you can take the magic recommendations also. Yeah, I think this one is best. I can adjust this at the back to make it more interesting. To bring it at the back, you can just right click here, select and go to layer, and select here send backward, which means it will go at the back of the orange. Now I want it at the back of the bottle, so let's again select layer and then send backward, and now it's at the back of the orange in the bottle, and now it's interesting. Let's adjust it and look, it's look like a professional one. At last we got the one that suits it. Now I want some leaves, a little bit small leaves, which I will be adding at the top and the bottom, and I will be adjusting in a way that it will not be grabbing your attention, but it will be there to just look beautiful to your eyes. You can add you can adjust the size. I just cut a little bit of a part and now I have added it. Now you can just hit the control C and control V to copy paste it and add at the bottom of the page too. Copy here and then hit the control V to copy it. I mean paste it. Now it's here. Bring it at the bottom. Now I don't want it to be prominent this much, so you can adjust the transparency by hitting on this, select it and hit on this transparency icon. It's at top, not this one, it's animation, it's transparency. Now adjust the transparency value and you see that it's lighter now, it's not grabbing your attention, but since it looks professional and it's type of engagement, so let's do this. So I think now the graphics of my image is ready. I'm bringing it to a little bit of right because I want to add the text at the side, other side of the page. Now go to text and select here, add a text box. Right here, order now, and then I will make it as a button to grab the attention. So right here, order now. To make it a button, you will go select here and go. I am just making it a little bit larger. And for making it a button, you can go to select here and go to effects. At the last of the effects, you will get one which says background. So add the background. I don't want to be in a yellow color, so let's just change it color. Change the color from yellow to red. Let's see which shade of yellow is red is here. Yeah, this one. Select red. But I think black does not go well with red, so let's choose white instead of black for text. So now the text of my text color is now white. But I felt like this red is not that much red I want it to be, so I just readjusted it, but I think it's the only red available here, so just go for it. It's okay. So now the button of order now is ready. Bring it a little bit down, and you know the red color seems to be attracting more as compared to others. So that's why I have chosen this. Bringing it more to the right to add the text, and now add a heading. So in the heading, the size of a heading, I'm going to write here delicious, to just write the name of a juice. And for delicious, I felt like I should go for white because it does not match that much with the orange color. So select white and change all. So now it's white. And also I want to change the style of the of writing. So I don't want to be canvas hands. I want it to be a little bit rough for attention grabbing. So I think it won with best. Right. So now wait for it to change, and here go. Here it's changed now. You know, it's look interesting as compared to other, because I have used those fonts in order now and other things. So it should be a little bit of, attracting. So delicious, now it's look attracting. Now I'm simply going to copy paste it to add some other text like delicious, then say control C and control V, and here change it to the text of orange, delicious orange, and then copy paste it one more time to get the text for juice. So it will say delicious orange juice. Adjust it in a way that it looks to be in a harmony. Delicious orange juice. Okay, so bring order now here, and now I am to add a little bit of a details which should be at the beside the bottle to make it more engaging. Some of the features of juice, like with vitamin C, and it's with extra nutrients, with all nutrients, and it's without the artificial colors. So these are the texts I am adding. These are mostly written with the ads to let the users or the customer know that what are the things you are providing with this juice or what are the features. So these are always written. And I think it's make your ad look more professional, and it's just really written. So I'm just doing this practice to add this now. I'm giving them the bullet points to make them more attracting, but the bullet points should never be in a number when you are writing this way. Just add the bullet points of points. It looks professional. And adjust the size. So it must be readable, and it should not overlap with the orange which is at the side. Because it's look like the space is less or like this. So adjust it in a way, make the size of the font smaller, and adjust it in a way that it does not wrap. So now the orange and the words are apart, and now it's beautiful. And the last thing I would like to add is the price of the juice at the top with a little bit more prominence. For the prominence, I'm again going to affect adding the background, but this time the color will be changed. Like this time I felt like the yellow color is okay to go with, because it should be engaging. Like when I change the text from white to red to look it. And here's now my ad is ready. I felt like this is very professional, and it is explaining all the points that should be explained in an ad. For exporting it, you can simply go to the share and download it. So hit the share button and select download and hit on a download, and it will be saved as a PNG or in the form of an image in your laptop. So now it's downloaded. I hope this is much prettier, easy for you to understand. If you want some more designs, you can just comment here, and if you like the way I explained it, so give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe. If you wish to see that how to make other designs too, they are available in my channel. Go roam about in my channel and see some other videos, and some other videos, the link of the other video is also in the description. Go and check there. Thanks.